Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding new contacts on WhatsApp. I will also show you how to add people from other countries. Let's begin. On the WhatsApp main page, tap on the New Chat button at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on New Contact. Enter their name in. You can skip the company and title field. Now just enter their number. If they are from a different country to you, make sure you put in their country code. For example, I am adding the Irish country code here before their number. Tap on the tick button at the top right to save the contact. Now, if you go back into WhatsApp and select the New Chat button, the new person you added will now be on the list of contacts to chat to. Note that if they don't have a WhatsApp account, they will not show up here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.